How you doing? Back with a Real Racing 3 video. I want to do an update on the progress I made. So I ended up saving up so much gold that I was able to come in here and finish all of these Formula E racing all the way up to Season 5. I haven't been all that pressed about doing Season 5 because of this. The car costs a lot of gold to upgrade. Like, there's the engine price, but the rewards are just $. So I have just not been pressed about doing it. I did all the other ones here. I had all these were partially finished. I finished those after upgrading the cars. Gives me 3 more left to do. I went into NASCAR. I finished season 2021, and I went into GT3. I finished that with the Porsche. I'm not going to get the McLaren or the Bentley. There's no point in that. And I don't have none of the cars in these 2 series. And the Endurance series, which I like, I finished 2021. That car wasn't that expensive to do it. And I finished 2020. I have not gotten the cars for 2019 or 2018 yet. And on 2012, 2015, I've considered coming in here and upgrading this 911 from 2015, which I've just been sitting on that car for so long that I had forgotten that I had it. After that, I came into the Endurance prototypes, and I finished this season, and this season here I haven't gone any further. Now, back in the road collection, I had a lot of series in here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but one that I did finish was the 1980s poster. What's the name of it? Yeah, Poster Exotics. I finished that plus some other ones. But where I was concentrated the most at was here in Expert. So after I got my 2,000 gold, I went ahead and got the Ferrari and the BMW M2 on the discount, the 30% discount. I upgraded my Audi and finished this series. And then I upgraded my BMW M2. It's a very loose car when you're driving it. And I finished that series. And then with, let me see, what did it have to be? 45, yeah, so I got it a 1/10 of a point over. And so now I have this last car, which you see on Expert, I'm at 99%. I have this last car, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some upgrades on it because I have another 68 gold coming for my next promotion. Plus I got 25 coming once I finish with the new series that's out for F1. So I'm going here. I think this is about 191 gold, if I'm not mistaken, that I'm spending here. This just comes from saving, and I'm not that good. I'm not one of those ones that get the 300 gold weekly on the time trial. Sometimes I'm lucky and I break through into the 25 or the 50, which this week I've been working hard trying to win. I'll show you. In this week's time trial, I keep slipping on my run. I only have one of the cars. I don't have the top 2 cars in this series here, which this Turbo S, this car is very slippery. I like this McLaren Senna, but I've been using my McLaren 765 LT with 21 upgrades. You see, and I haven't done any more because it's expensive. It'll wipe me out. even with 2,000 gold, with all that I did, I mean, the lowest I went down at one point was all the way down to 220 gold, but then I built it back up to almost 500. And so with this, on this series, every time I'm beating what I need, so I'll have, take for example, I'll have this guy beat. That's always in first place. Sometimes it changes. I think this guy's been here for a few days. I'll have him beat by more than a half a second. And I don't know if I'm panicking or rushing, but I end up slipping and skidding on turn, and he passes me and he ends up beating me by, you guessed it, a half second. I don't beat my time. I miss it by like hundredths and whatnot. So I'm going to leave it alone for a couple of days and just see if I can break into D or E. I think if I just relax, I can get into D or C easy. And the other place is here. I don't have my NASCAR fully upgraded. And again, these NASCAR cars, they're very slippery. I'm at 55 on my performance rating, and where I'm slipping at is right at the beginning. So I'm in group E, which if I can straighten out these turns and stop slipping, I can get a little higher. So one of the things I want to show you a quick video, and I want you to guess which of the two cars are real Racing 3 cars and which are real. You ready? There you go. Could you figure it out? I'll let you sit on that for a minute. So 2 of the pictures are actual cars, and the other 2 is me taking the design from that car and putting it in a real Racing 3, on a real Racing 3 car. So I'll show you the car in just a second. So where I'm at in this particular event, I don't have a lot of M dollar, so I'm waiting for the next, which I have time because there's 3 days remaining. I need to do some more M dollar upgrades on this particular car, which I need about 700 and just under 750 to do these upgrades. I actually want to do these 3 and then go ahead and finish. And I'm just not in any rush because it got 3 days. All that's going to happen, you finish the series. I got 2 more to go. It's been pretty interesting. On some of the skills, I've been driving from the cockpit, and some I drive on top of the safety halo. All right, so let me show you this car that I designed. This is the latest design that I've done. And that's the Lexus. So I'll show you the real car. It's the Camaro on top. And then I took the design from the Camaro and I put it on this Lexus. I think it came out pretty good. So that's where I'm at now. I'm slowly working my way to 603. Still slow as molasses. I mean, I really like to be a consistent Group A driver. Where I am Group A is here. So I've been able to break into Group A here, which I'm telling you, whoever this guy is, like Ocean and Jagu, number 7, man, when I'm trying to keep up with them guys, they are flying. Other places I'm Group A. Hold on, I'm losing my connection. Other places I'm Group B, I should say, or Group D. I'm here at Suzuka, which I need to do better there. And Circuit of America, I did pretty well. I'm Group B. And Yaz, I'm Group D, which I can do a lot better than what I'm doing there. I keep making like little mistakes. I don't know why Silverstone's not popping up, but oh well. I'm Group B at Silverstone, I believe. And I'm working on getting my 2021 car, my 2020 car upgraded so that I can do better there. So in that championship series, the car still isn't really upgraded fully and it slips. So I'm at Group D in 2020. Here I got to do better there. I got to increase my car's rating. Got to increase my car's rating. I have another car that's better, which I just haven't gotten around to doing it yet. Yeah, it's 125. So I'm working on becoming a consistent Group A, Group D, Group C, so I can get more gold and save up gold faster. So, but that's where I'm at. I hope that you're enjoying your Real Racing 3 if you're a beginner and that you're doing a lot better. Have a nice weekend.